92, New Zealand 88 for 7. Bowling! Another perfect yorker from Umar Gul. That's his 4th wicket, and he's conceded just 4 runs so far. This is almost like a dream for Pakistan. Can you believe it? New Zealand are 93 for 8. Leading edge, and this could be the first 5-wicket haul for a bowler in an international T20. It's just unbelievable what's happening out there for Umar Gul and for Pakistan and for New Zealand. 9 wickets gone, especially on a pitch that hasn't